Hello, I'm Gunjan Mohan. I'm from Jubilant Group. It is a pleasure to be a part of DRIIV initiative for skilling uh, Indian manpower for new emerging sectors like semiconductor manufacturing, design, electronics, and EV vehicles. Uh, it, it was great to hear from the eminent speakers from IIT Delhi, from industrial of different industries, also from government uh, bodies as well as from academics. Uh, I would like to say that skilling is an important aspect for our country, as we all know we have a huge population and a huge population of young people coming into the workforce. This initiative will definitely help us in producing people ready for jobs in industry, and will help industry as well as the country to grow uh, to to the next level of GDP growth and economy. I would like to say that we, coming from chemical sectors, are also looking into semiconductor manufacturing, and we have started manufacturing chemicals for making semicon ecosystem viable in India. We do look forward to DRIIV initiative to foster development of programs that cater to our industry in chemical manufacturing for semiconductor and electronic chemical manufacturing. And we will be happy to partner with DRIIV in coming future. Thank you.